Welcome students in Engineering Mathematics 3 course. I am Professor Patil Kiran from Arsol Technical Campus, SAS Ahmednagar. I will taught you Engineering Mathematics 3. Let's start the session. So, in this video we are going to discuss about examination pattern and syllabus. So, you start the preparation accordingly that. Now look at examination pattern. There are 70 marks theory examination and 30 marks in SEM examination is given in new pattern 2020 and 25 marks term work. Weekly 3 lectures hour and 1 tutorial hour are available. Now look at syllabus. There are 6 units are given. First 2 units are for in-SEM examination only. They are not asking for in the theory exam, and remaining 4 units are given for theory examination. This means syllabus is become very easy in this new pattern compared to previous pattern. So, let's understand what are the units you need to learn. First unit is linear differential equation and its applications. In this unit, you will learn about linear differential equation of nth order with constant coefficients, complementary function, particular integral, general method, short method, method of variation of parameter, Cauchy's and Legendre's differential equation, simultaneous and symmetric simultaneous differential equation, modeling of problems on bending of beams, wiring of shafts and mass spring system. So, these are the topics of this first unit, linear differential equation. So, in this unit, we learned that how to find solution of linear differential equation and various methods to find solution and its application. So, second unit is numerical methods. In this unit, there are 2 important parts. First part is numerical solution of system of linear equation, and second part is numerical solution of ordinary differential equation. In first part, numerical solution of system of linear equation. In this part, there are 4 methods are given to find solution of system of linear equation. First method is Gauss elimination method, second Cholesky method, third Jacobi method, and fourth Gauss-Seidel method. In second part, numerical solution of ordinary differential equation, also given 4 methods: Euler's method, modified Euler's method, Runge-Kutta 4th order method, and predictor and corrector methods. Now let's see third unit, statistic and probability. Here also 2 important parts, statistic and second is probability. In statistic part, we learn measure of central tendency, standard deviation, coefficient of variation, moment, skewness and kurtosis, correlation and regression, reliability of regression estimates. And in second part, probability, we will learn probability density function, probability distribution. In probability distribution, we study 3 important distributions: binomial, Poisson and normal distribution. Also we have given 2 tests: test of hypothesis, chi-square test and t-test. Now fourth unit is vector differential calculus. In vector differential calculus, we will learn physical interpretation of vector differentiation, vector differential operator, gradient, divergence and curve, directional derivative, solenoidal, irrotational and conservative field, scalar potential, and vector identities. These are the topics of this fourth unit. Now see fifth unit. Fifth unit is vector integral calculus and its applications. In this unit we will learn about line, surface and volume integral. Here in this unit we have to find line integral, surface integral and volume integral. Also how work done, Green's lemma, Gauss divergence theorem. We discussed Gauss divergence theorem, Stokes theorem and applications to problems in fluid mechanics. Continuity equations, streamlines, equation of motion, Bernoulli's equation. These are the applications of vector integral calculus. You are already known about what is partial differential equation, and in this unit we see applications of partial differential equation. So the applications are modeling of vibrating string, wave equation, 1 and 2 dimensional heat flow equation, method of separation of variable, use of Fourier series and applications of partial differential equations to problems of civil and allied engineering. So these are the structure of exam and syllabus. Today we stop here. In next video we start syllabus. Thank you.